checking in.
What the heck's going on here?
I'll handle this, Josh.
The Timberwolves want to substitute a dog.
What are they, nuts?
Dog's a registered member of the team. He practices with the team, he travels with the team. You check in your rule book. Bet you won't find anything in there that says a dog can't play.
He's right. Ain't no rule said the dog can't play basketball. This is a joke. Dogs don't play basketball.
What's the matter, gentlemen? Afraid your team might get beat by a dog?
Put him in.
Now entering the game, new player, K9.
Hey boy, we're just playing.